Hi there. Today I'll show you how to use the social media calendar template available on our website, SpreadsheetsHub.com. It's designed to help you plan your content, organize posting schedules, and manage all your social media platforms more efficiently. Before getting started, take a moment to read the instructions on the first page. They'll guide you through how to use the template effectively. The first step is to define the main categories. Drop-down lists will then be automatically created based on this setup. In the next step, you'll create a content plan, as this information will later be used to generate the analysis sheets. This section explains how to analyze a content plan, helping you see how effectively your content plan is being implemented. This step shows you how to view your weekly schedule so you don't miss a thing. The following steps show how to view the plan in Calendar of View. Go to the Settings sheet. On this sheet, you need to enter data for the main categories. In this block, you can organize your content by specific pillars such as education, lifestyle, promotion, brand awareness, engagement, and product promotion to create a balanced strategy, maintain consistency, and track the purpose of each post more effectively. In this category, you can define content formats such as post, reels, story, and video to diversify your content strategy, increase audience engagement, and better plan content distribution across your social media platforms. Enter the data for the goal category. In this block, you can assign goals such as sales, likes, follows, views, and comments to each piece of content to measure performance more effectively, stay focused on your objectives, and optimize your social media strategy. In the status category, you can assign statuses such as published, in progress, scheduled, not started, and pending to each task or content item to track progress clearly, improve workflow organization, and keep your content plan on schedule. In this block, you can specify a list of platforms such as Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, LinkedIn, and Pinterest to organize your content by channel, streamline publishing plans, and manage platform-specific strategies more effectively. You can also include platform icons. You can specify up to 500 categories in each block. Go to the Content Tracker sheet. The content plan should be entered into the table on this sheet. Select the pillar. A drop-down list is generated based on the data specified on the settings sheet. Select the format. Select the goal. Enter the idea. Enter the date and time. Enter the hook. Enter the caption. Enter the call to action. Enter the hashtags. The data in the column is filled in automatically. If necessary, include an image and audio. Select the desired social media platforms. Select the status. If necessary, enter notes. Let's enter more data. To make things easier for you, the input cells are highlighted in light blue, and the formula cells that update automatically are marked in light pink. It's best not to change the formula cells, as this could disrupt the calculations. These cells are also locked for protection. If you still decide to modify a formula, just enter your data and click OK when prompted. The formula will be updated. In the Excel version, you can unlock the sheet without a password if needed, but we recommend leaving the formulas untouched to ensure everything functions correctly. Go to the Content Dashboard sheet. The data on this sheet is updated automatically. All you need to do is select the year and month. The model is in English by default, but if you want to translate the tables into another language, you can use our TranslateHub tool. It's quick, accurate, and super easy to use. You'll find the link in the description below. Let's return to the model. The top section displays general information about the content. The publication progress chart shows the percentage of content that has been published. The format breakdown chart shows the content structure by format and highlights how your content is distributed across different types, helping you optimize your strategy. The charts in the social media section show the distribution of content across different social media platforms, helping you understand where your content is published most and optimize your platform-specific strategy. For detailed information on the content, please refer to the table below. Go to the weekly content plan sheet. On this sheet, enter the start date and end date, and the data will update automatically. Using these daily blocks, you can view content sorted by time, which is useful for improving planning, maintaining consistency, and better organizing your workflow. Images are automatically loaded from the images added in the content tracker sheet. The progress section shows the percentage of content that has been published, helping you track overall performance, monitor consistency, and quickly understand how much of your content plan has been completed. The chart shows the volume of social media content, helping you track activity levels and maintain consistency. You can enter notes if necessary. Go to the social media sheet. On this sheet, you can select a social media platform and a date to view post. This makes it easier to monitor your publishing history, review content performance, and stay organized across different channels. The images are pulled from the content tracker sheet. Go to the calendar sheet. Select the year and month. The data in the calendar is updated automatically. This chart shows the percentage of published content. For detailed information about the content, you can refer to the table below. In the calendar, you can view content by day, which helps you stay organized and manage your content more efficiently. Published posts are automatically crossed out on the calendar. This sheet is important for maintaining a clear publishing schedule, tracking consistency over time, and ensuring better control over your overall content planning. And one technical point, if you're using the Excel version of this report, we recommend using Excel 2021 or later to ensure all formulas work correctly. Also, please avoid opening the Excel file in Google Sheets. If you prefer working in Google Sheets, we suggest using the dedicated Google Sheets version of the report instead. Try the social media calendar template by adding your own data. You'll see how easy it is to plan content, organize posting schedules, and manage your social media strategy efficiently. The template is available for download via the link in the description. For more personalized solutions, our team can build custom tables tailored to any level of complexity. We also offer templates with resale rights, along with an open affiliate program for those interested. Thanks for watching, and have a productive day.